To connect PagePilot to Shopify, follow these steps to integrate the platform with your Shopify store and enhance your marketing capabilities. Set up a PagePilot account. Sign up for an account at PagePilot by visiting their website. Log into your PagePilot account and set up your campaign or page, creating the design that aligns with your Shopify store. Install PagePilot on Shopify. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for PagePilot. Install the PagePilot app on your Shopify store. Configure PagePilot campaign. Once installed, access the app from your Shopify dashboard. Follow the instructions within the PagePilot interface to link it to your store's marketing tools. This may include connecting specific pages, products or collections. Add PagePilot scripts or tracking pixels. If needed, embed any tracking pixels or scripts into your Shopify store's theme. Go to Online Store, Themes, Actions, Edit Code to add the scripts into the appropriate theme files. Test and launch. Once configured, preview your page and test the integration. After confirming everything works smoothly, you can launch your PagePilot powered campaigns.